Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today we're going to be doing the front brakes and rotors on a 2007 Honda Civic. We start by removing the two caliper bolts. Use a 14mm wrench or a socket and ratchet. Then we use a C-clamp to push the caliper piston back. Now we use a flathead screwdriver to pry the brake pads out. Finally, we use a 17mm socket with a 1/2" ratchet and remove the two bolts holding the caliper mounting bracket. To remove the rotor, you must use an impact driver. Hit the impact driver and the screws will loosen. Remove the screws the rest of the way. Use a hammer to knock the rust off the rotor. Clean the hub with a wire brush. Use anti-seize on the hub to prevent the rotor from rusting on for the next removal. The new rotor comes with an oil film to prevent rust. Use some brake clean or soap and water to clean the front and back of the rotor. Reapply the two screws and use the impact driver to tighten them. Spray the front of the rotor to remove any dirt while handling. Clean the mounting bracket and replace the clips that came with the new brakes. Remove the slide pins and clean them. Then regrease them to maintain longevity of the caliper. Regreasing the pins allow the caliper to glide back and forth on the mounting bracket. After reapplying the mounting bracket, we move to installing the brake pads. Apply grease to the tips of the brake pads. This allows the brakes to slide in smooth. Reapply the caliper on the mounting bracket and retighten the 14mm caliper bolts. Place the tire back on the vehicle and retighten the 19mm lug nuts. What's going on, guys? We just finished the brakes and rotors on the Honda Civic. That is how you do them. Hopefully this video helps whoever is watching. If you're not a subscriber and you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the bell notification on top. And if you really like this video, please leave a like and a comment below. I appreciate all the great comments from you guys, and I enjoy doing these videos, and I hope to produce more for you. So I'll see you soon.